Hi guys, we're back for another video today with an iPhone 12 mini. I've heard good things about it. I'm not sure if I'm truly with them yet, but we'll see. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. I do like the little packaging bit, the little pulley bit. This is the phone, 12 mini, front face camera, speaker there, iPhone on the side, the Apple logo, same. This is the 128GB version. One thing you need to know about it is if you're buying it, remember you need a power plug and headphones are sold separately. Okay? Right, let's get into it. Wow, looks nice. This is a black version, but to me it looks very dark blue in person. The dual camera, flash, microphone, I think. Yep, microphone. Nice, that is a fingerprint magnet. So satisfying. It is. The notch is very unnoticeable. Well, it's off anyway. We've got, I'm not sure what this little lever is, but yeah, there's the volume. There's the power, very big, can't miss that. Oh, it's to mute sound. Says it on the little detector bit. Very nice. Charging port, still lightning, microphones all across the bottom. Nothing apart from this little stripes across the sides. Very nice finish. I do like it a lot. Right, what else is in the box? Right, we get the cable, which is now a lightning port to USB-C. If I can get it out. No. Get it to focus. You can just make that out. And you get a little book with Apple sticker, of course. You can't go wrong with an Apple sticker. And SIM ejector tool. And just some other documentation. Anything else in the box? Well, it's very hard to get out if there is supposed to be. I'll go with there isn't. Okay, so that is what you get for it. Let's see if there's any power in it. There we go. The Apple logo. Not really light. At first glance, the screen looks very good. Very good. I'm not sure, but I think those might be two light indicators. I think, I'm not sure. Looks very good at the moment. Looks like normal Apple type of thing. It's very click responsive. Yeah, so I hope you like this review, and please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.